Project Solar were very helpful. They were very polite and very kind. Any questions that we had, they answered them straight away. Any information we didn't know, they had just a wealth of knowledge to help us through. Initially, it was the environmental impact, and we just wanted to do our bit. It's obviously a big investment, and it would eventually return our money in the future. We also get money back from the grid when we have a surplus of electricity. With all of our consoles and the prospect of getting an electric car, it was something that we really wanted to do. We have 8 panels in total with a battery and inverter system. The benefits of having a battery, because my partner and I both work from home, we're using a lot of electricity throughout the day. At the end of our workday, we tend to relax, watch TV, but also we're using the washing machine, the microwave, so that takes a lot of electricity, and we thought it was more beneficial to have a battery. We've seen our energy bills are basically zero, and we're also getting that surplus income from all of the extra energy we've generated. The installation took just about 3 hours. 2 guys came, very, very quick, very professional, and they tidied up everything. The solar panels looked amazing. Any initial qualms that we had, they answered them straight away. So if anybody's thinking about getting solar panels, I would say if you have the means to do so, then just go for it. Project Solar, I would highly recommend. They're very knowledgeable, very kind, and we've not had any problems with them whatsoever.